Hello everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to solve the annoying issue of missing texture and flickering glitch in GTA 5. As you guys can see, I'm playing the game and experiencing this problem. Building, roads and other texture keep popping in and out, making it impossible to play. So let's fix this issue together. First, we need to go to the setting and change some graphics option. Press the escape key to open up the menu and go to the setting and select graphics. The first thing we need to do is change the DirectX version from DirectX 11 to 10. Lowering the DirectX version can help with the performance issue. Next, turn off the VSync. Disabling the VSync can also improve the performance and reduce the glitch. Now let's reduce these three options: population density, population variety, and distance scaling. Lowering this setting can reduce the load on your system. After that, we also need to reduce the texture quality, shadow quality, and shadow quality to the normal from high. Setting this to a normal or low can significantly improve the stability and reduce the glitch. This issue often happens because the graphics settings are too high for your system to handle. Putting too much pressure on it by lowering this setting, we can achieve a smoother gaming experience. Once we have made all of the changes, restart the game to apply the new setting. Relaunch the GTA 5 and you should be able to play the game without any missing texture or popping in problems. And that's it. We have successfully fixed the texture and popping in issue in GTA 5. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more gaming tips and fixes. So thank you for watching and see you in the next one. Peace.